Now let's try to understand type of different recommendation systems. So we have seen different type of recommendation systems in terms of business, like on Amazon.com and Netflix and some other websites, how the recommendation systems are being utilized. But actually, what are the building blocks of these recommendation systems, and what are the thought process behind the development of a recommendation system? That is what we are going to discuss in this section. So there are different type of recommendation systems. We are going to discuss three major type of recommendation systems here. The first one is popularity based recommendation system. So in popularity based recommendation system, we are going to try to understand how these recommendation systems are designed, and if you were to design a popularity based recommendation system, what are the different factors you have to consider? And then if you have to code the same recommendation system in Python, then how you can do it. Then next type of recommendation system we are going to discuss is going to be content based filtering. So content based recommendation system is something where based on whatever you are typing on the search box, based on that search criteria, system shows different results, and that is going to be content based filtering or content based recommendation system. And then next one is collaborative filtering. So this is a another type of recommendation system where we try to map user with user or item with item. So if I'm a user, I have bought some specific items, and there is one more user who is kind of very similar to my profile. Then whatever I have bought in the past, the similar buying pattern is more likely to be shown by the other user as well. If I'm a user who is very similar to Mr. X, and if I like comedy movie, there are strong chances if Mr. X is similar to me, then he is also going to like a comedy movie. So that is what is called as collaborative filtering.